Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Lee and I come from Bukit Mertajam, the northern part of Peninsular Malaysia. And at this point now, I'm staying in Kluang, Johor. So welcome again everyone to my YouTube channel. As you can see on the board over here, I'm now going to teach you how to answer Task 2 of our country's test to enter university, our Malaysian university. Students need to sit for this test, which is called MUET. Some people say MUET is okay. It's called Malaysian University English Test. Okay, and just like there are other tests if you want to go overseas, there are other tests you have to sit as Malaysian students. And you need to have a certain, there is a certain band which you need to achieve in order to attend or to be admitted to the university, depending on the university and its requirements. So I'm now at this part, speaking, task 2. As you know, speaking, for students who are taking MUET, you have to sit for the speaking paper. And the speaking paper has two tasks, task 1 and task 2. Task 1 is individual presentation, which I have already uploaded in my videos. And this is the second task and the final one. So for task 2, you are not going to do it individually, but you are going to do it as a group of 4 people. Candidate A, B, C, and D. Now you are given 3 minutes to prepare. So once you get the questions, you are given 3 minutes to make some notes. Okay? After 3 minutes, the discussion begins. You are given 8 to 12 minutes to finish the whole discussion or something like a forum. And remember that you are going to use formal language. Because a forum or a discussion should be formal. So it's not like chit-chatting in the cafe or, in outside, where you talk to your friends. That's not the way. We want a proper sentence with the correct structure and grammar as well as vocabulary. Okay, so that you have to bear in mind. And during the discussion or the forum, you are to agree or disagree. So you support or you oppose whatever people are saying. But towards the end, at the end of the discussion, you have to decide on which is the best, whatever, like here, which is the best. You are given options, so which is the best option? So either the majority agree on one or all agree on one. The important thing is there must be an, what you call a conclusion. So it can be the majority, it can be all, but you must have a conclusion. That means you cannot have a discussion whereby nobody agrees with anyone. All the 4 have their own, their own stand, their own perception. I wouldn't say perception, but their own idea or their own choice. No. Out of the choices given, you are to decide. Either 2, 1, 1, meaning to say at least 2 persons have to agree on the same thing. So you can make a conclusion. The majority of us agree. Or you can have all 4 agree on the same option given, and then you can have a conclusion whereby you say all of us agree. Okay? Right. Now, the question first. Now the question, I put forward a question for you to think. It is necessary to promote healthy living among children. Here children does not mean little children only. Children, I would say it covers school students. Okay? In your group, discuss who can promote a healthy lifestyle among children. As I said, children refers to people who are schooling. So who can promote a healthy lifestyle among children? Then you are given here 5 options. First, parents, or school, or the social media, or peers. Peers are people who are of the same age as you. or doctors. After all, this is health. Okay, so maybe doctors, or maybe, you know, doctors can be very good people, people who have the most, you know, many people will support the fact that doctors can do very well if they promote healthy living, because they are very knowledgeable in health. Excuse me. So I write here, candidate B. Actually, when you are given the signal to start, so the examiner may say, you may start now, or group discussion begins now, okay, or let us start our group discussion now, whatever. So that once the examiner gives you the signal to start, any one of you can start. It does not mean that A must start, and then followed by B, followed by C, followed by D. No. Anyone can start. And I suggest to you, I tell you this is a speaking test, and therefore it is only correct to speak. Do not sit. Do not keep quiet. And when people talk, you just nod your head or you shake your head. That's not the way, because it's a speaking test. You are expected to speak. And I advise you, look at the time, 8 to 12 minutes. 4 of you, 8 to 12 minutes, meaning to say, you have a minimum of 2 minutes to speak. And you have a maximum of 3 minutes to speak. Why waste it? Why keep quiet? Because when you keep quiet and you don't speak, you are going to fail. Okay? So make sure you speak. Either first round you speak one, and for me, I would suggest 2 rounds. I wouldn't agree if each of you speak for a full 3 minutes and then do a conclusion. I don't agree. Okay, for me, I would say that the first round, you may use 1 minute. Second round, after everyone has spoken, then you speak again, second round. Because you have time. You have a minimum of 8 minutes. Meaning to say you can speak 2 minutes or even more. If each of you takes 2 minutes to complete your presentation, you still have 4 minutes. So you have ample time, maybe to add on some points and then to do a conclusion. So there is ample time if you just at least fork out 2 minutes. You are not to keep quiet. And you are not to speak less than 2 minutes. That I advise you if you want to pass. Okay? Now, so let us do it this way. For example, the examiner says, you may start now. So maybe candidate B can start. Candidate A can start. Candidate C can start. Candidate D can start. Anyone can start. So for me, I think it's very good to have manners by saying good morning once again or good afternoon once again as candidate B if you like. If you don't like to say that you are candidate B, you can directly say, I think that is up to you. I'm only giving you my way. Okay, an example. It's up to you. You want to follow or you don't want to follow. I think that parents can promote a healthy lifestyle among children. Answer the question first. Let us know your stand. That means your opinion. Stand here does not mean like what I'm doing now, standing up. No. Okay? This is because give a reason. After you give a reason, after you have given a reason, then you can give example. Like for example, whatever. Just elaborate. 1 point should be enough. Do not in 1 minute say 3 or 4 points. That means you are not elaborating. You are just saying the point. That is not what we want. So 1 point, elaborate. Give examples. You can give what you call the reason. You elaborate definition. Just talk. What you say must evolve your point. After saying that, you ask everyone, do you agree with me, candidates? Open. So anyone can answer. So for example, C says, sorry, I disagree with you. In my opinion, the school can promote a healthy living lifestyle among children. As we all know, then whatever you want to say, your reason, as I said, compare and contrast, your reason, your definition, further elaboration. And after you have presented, what do you think, candidates? Let the others speak. You keep quiet first. And then maybe candidate A says something. Your point sounds good, but I beg to differ. I beg to differ means I disagree with you. I think the social media can promote a healthy lifestyle among children. And then you talk, and after that, in order to persuade everyone, it's very persuasive when you say, I am sure, very confident. I'm sure you agree with me that the social media is the most powerful tool to promote a healthy lifestyle among children. Candidates, what are your opinions? Let the rest speak. And then candidate D has not spoken, so let candidate D speak. But if candidate D chooses to keep quiet, you cannot keep quiet as well. Don't push one another to speak. If nobody speaks, you have to do it. Okay? So, of course, here I assume that candidate D is ready. So candidate D says, I don't agree with you. For me, doctors can promote a healthy lifestyle among children. The reason is, give the reason. And then give, for example, compare and contrast, elaborate. And after that, do you agree with what I have just said, candidates? So let them answer. And then second round. Okay, second round. Maybe candidate B starts again. Your point is very good. So after thinking twice, this is for people who change their opinions so that we can create a majority. You must be smart. Be smart. Since everybody is saying different things, you have to do something. So quickly choose one and go there so that you can create the majority. After thinking twice, I would like to change my stand. My stand is my opinion. Okay, my stand is what I think. The stand is what I support. I agree with you that doctors can promote a healthy lifestyle among children. I say so because then you add one more reason. After that, as usual, elaborate. And then, what do you think? Candidates, let the others speak. You have spoken, you have already spoken for 2 minutes or more, and so you allow others to speak as well. As I said, you have to ensure you speak a minimum of 2 minutes. Please remember that. And then in the end, after everybody has spoken, there is 12 minutes or already 8 minutes, you want to conclude. So because D and B agree, and then maybe C still insists that the school, and A still says that the social media. So that means the majority can be created. D and B agree. So you have 2, 1, 1, you can conclude. So in conclusion, and the conclusion must be done by D or B because they are the majority. So A and C cannot say anything because they are the minority. So either D or B will say, in conclusion, the majority of us agree that doctors can promote a healthy living, a healthy lifestyle among children. Thank you. That's the end of the discussion. Okay, so I have completed everything. Okay, if I decide to do one more, I will. If not, this is the last. Okay, I will think about it, see whether I would like to teach one more, provide you with more examples, or I just call it the end. Okay, let me think about it first. Now, remember to give me a like, share, and subscribe. Okay, and if you want to buy my books, Level 1, Level 2 Grammar, please WhatsApp to me and let me know. And if you want to take any English course from me, whether it is for exam purposes, our own national exam, or exams or tests to go overseas, or if you want to just upgrade yourself, or you want to learn some business English, or for whatever reason, send WhatsApp to me and let me know. We can arrange a class. If there's anything else you want me to teach besides this, go to my YouTube channel, the comment section, and let me know. You can write whatever you want there. whatever you want me to teach there, and I will arrange time to teach you in my YouTube channel. Okay, once again, remember, give me a like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.